Today I'm going to share with you The Healing Power of Your Body. This book that I've written in 2018, and the button says Uncover the Secret of Energy Medicine. This book, Natural and Effective Remedy to a Good Night's Sleep, is written in 2020 during the circuit breaker in April. And the healing power of your body, we are going to share about the two powerful technology, revolutionary miracle energy of life and revolutionary miracle water of life. The revolutionary miracle energy of life is the world's first state-of-the-art 7-in-1 wave modulation technology that regulates, regenerates, recharges, and harmonizes your bioenergy field and 5 elements. And the 5 elements are the fire, represented by the heart and small intestine, the earth, the spleen and the stomach, the matter, the lung and the large intestine, the water, the kidney and the bladder, and the wood, the liver and gallbladder. And once these 5 elements are balanced in the body, then we can center the energy at the diaphragm. And this revolutionary miracle energy of life is pain-free therapy, non-invasive, natural healing, scientifically proven, and revolutionary technology. Do not take good health for granted. This is Rajan Das. He died while doing a gym workout at the age of 42, and he died of a massive heart attack. He do everything right. He's active in sports. He's a fitness freak. He's a marathon runner. He eat proper food. He exercise. He maintain proper weight, but he missed his 7 hours sleep. So how many hours does he sleep? Only 4 to 5 hours a night. And statistics have shown that people who sleep less than 5 hours a night, they got 350% more chance of getting a high blood pressure. If they sleep less than 5 hours a night, they got 3 times more chance of getting a heart attack. This is the most recent news happening on the 12th of July this year. And he's Adrian Tan, a music conductor. He died in his sleep from cardiac arrest. And his good friend says he was always full of energy and a very enjoyable person to talk to. He always seemed very healthy, so I was wondering what happened. And this is also happened this year on the 25th of May. Is a real case. He's a Thai cook doing Facebook Live.
มาแบบ ทุกคนมันออกจะรกนิดนึงนะทุกคนอย่าว่าอะไรครูนะนะห้องครัวครูก็จะรกนิดนึงนะมาเพลงต้องมาค่ะสวัสดีทุกคนเลยนะคะเดี๋ยวครูจะมาทำน้ำเงี้ยวให้ดูนะคะสูตรเชียงรายนะคะสวัสดีค่ะใครที่เข้ามาแล้วอยากรู้สูตรน้ำขนมจีนน้ำเงี้ยวครูนะคะก็เข้ามากันเลยนะคะแต่ถ้าไม่อยากรู้ไม่เป็นไรนะลูกนะเพราะครูฉลองครบ10,000นะคะแล้วครูก็แบบมาทำตามสัญญาโอเคไหมคะเดี๋ยวครูนี้ก่อนครูทำกระเทียมเจียวด้วยกระเทียมเจียวก็ทำเองนะคะกระเทียมเจียวทำเองเด้อพี่น้องเด้อร้องให้ทำไมล่ะลูกนี่ไปปั่นกระเทียมเจียวมาไปแกะกระเทียมมากระเทียมเจียวก็ทำเองนะคะกินทิพย์น่ารักเราต้องแบบว่ากระเทียมเจียวนะคะก็เจียวเองมันจะได้หอม
This is a real case. She looks young, she looks energetic and well, but she just suddenly died while doing her cooking. So to enjoy quality of life is to be able to sleep well, eat well, and also live well. And to be able to enjoy quality of life is definitely able to sleep well at night, wake up fully recharged during the day, and also free from pain. No headache, no migraine, no stiff neck, no shoulder pain. If you can stay until the end of this webinar, then this is all about energy medicine. We are able to analyze the energy level of your 12 meridian point. Instead of the TCM doing pulsating, we are able to use your 10 fingers and 10 toes and able to measure for you your 12 meridian points. So just to introduce myself, my name is Veronica. I'm a nurse by profession. I used to work with Salvation Army for 14 years. So for 14 years, I used to take care of old people. I run a daycare day rehab center. And because of high stress, I was diagnosed with an autoimmune problem called Graves' disease. And I was on medication for more than 10 years. At that time, I refused to go for operation to remove my thyroid gland that the doctor was strongly advising me, or to go for radioactive iodine to destroy my thyroid gland. So if I don't take medicine, I'll be feeling very easily tired, unable to sleep well. So it was only in 2010 that I met the inventor of this sleeping system. And that was the first time in my life I saw blood cells under the microscope. And I saw my blood cells were not healthy. They were all clustered together. And also the plasma was very cloudy and lots of colored crystals in my 1 drop of blood. So when I saw my blood cells were not healthy, I was very determined. How am I going to improve my blood quality so that my health can be restored? And that's how I started the business in June 2010. So after I started the business, I tell myself, number one, I don't take medicine because the inventor was very confident he could help me improve my immune system without any medication. And number two, I will listen to my body. Whenever I can sleep well at night, I wake up fully energetic. I knew there was no relapse. And number three, I have my own microscope. I check my own blood. So it took me 9 months to clean up my blood. So until today, 11 years, totally no relapse. And that is the power of our body. So because I serviced my body while sleeping on the sleeping system, I was able to enjoy deep quality sleep every night, able to carry an energetic body around, and my mind was very productive, and also feeling peaceful and happy every day. Waking up peaceful and happy every day is a power. And also I feel young and I look young. Now I'm already close to 60 and yet I don't really look 60. I feel my energy level is as though I'm in my 30s, in my 40s, and that is a power as well. So age is only a number. Chronological age we cannot change, but we can change the biological age, how you feel and how you look. And also wake up every day with a very clear purpose. And my purpose is to keep advocating the healing power of your body. You want to stop me, it's unstoppable. And she's my daughter. Her name is Amelia. Her purpose is to serve as a Catholic nun in Spain. And that's where she finds a lot of joy, a lot of peace serving the youth and children in Spain. And my daughter, Amelia, happened to be the icon for Energia. So if you happen to go to Adelphi, right at the shop frontage is her face. You see her brochure is her face. You see the Facebook is her face. You see our website is all her face. So she's the icon for Energia. The healing power of your body, you have to understand how to cultivate your body terrain to be like a healthy pot of soil. And so what is healthy pot of soil? For the soil to be healthy, you need water, you need sunlight, you need fertilizer. Without any of this, the soil can never be healthy. And when the soil is not healthy, the plant can never be healthy. So we want to create the body terrain to be like a healthy pot of soil for any disease to go back to balance. And also the blood flow that is inside our system, the circulatory system, to be like the water in the aquarium. How do you want the fish to be healthy inside? So you need to feed the fish. You need to have a good water filter to filter off all the dirt, and you need to pump in oxygen. So our blood flow is the same thing. Our blood circulation is the same thing. So we need oxygen and we need nutrient. We do not need any toxin inside. So we need a very good excretory system to be able to pass out all the toxin in the urine, in the bowel, in the sweat. Now, for us to be able to cultivate the body terrain to be like a healthy pot of soil, the health must start from the cell. Every cell must be healthy. If the cell is in the stomach do its job. The cell is in the pancreas do its job. Every cell must do their job before the tissue can be healthy and then the organ can be healthy. Only when the organ, they do their own its job, its function, then the whole system can do its function well. So the respiratory system, the digestive system, the immune system, the nervous system, they are all healthy, all start from one cell. And even before one cell, we have molecule, before molecule, we have atom. And that's how complicated our body is designed to heal. If you know how to create the body terrain to be like a healthy pot of soil. So in order for our body terrain to be like a healthy pot of soil, it is very important to understand this word called homeostasis. Homeostasis means balance, nothing too high, nothing too low. Anything too high is a problem, anything too low is a problem. Hypertension is a problem, hypotension also a problem. High blood sugar is a problem, low blood sugar also a problem. High temperature is a problem, low temperature also a problem. So anything too high is a problem, anything too low is a problem. It's all about homeostatic. All right. So what in our body is balanced? When our body is balanced, our body is not affected by environment. So just like temperature. When the weather is very hot, your body will respond to cool your own body down. This is an automatic response that you don't have to tell your body, hey, quick, you cool your body down, otherwise you get fever. Your body naturally will cool down by perspiring. That's number one. Or make you very thirsty, you drink a lot of water to cool down. Or you pass out a lot of hot urine to cool down. So these are ways that the body naturally will get you to respond to cool your own body down. And when the weather is very cold, what does your body do? Your body will shiver, will keep shivering until the temperature comes up. So the body temperature is homeostatic. It is not affected by environment. So doesn't mean that every summer you get a fever, every winter you get a hypothermia. And what else in our body is balanced? Hormones. We have so many kinds of hormones in the body. So the sleep is also hormones. The melatonin, serotonin, dopamine, endorphin, these are hormones. The thyroid also hormones. The insulin also hormones. When you're under stress, also hormones. All the stress hormones are the cortisol, right? And then the reproductive organ, they're all hormones. There are so many different kinds of hormones. They must all be balanced. Nothing too high, nothing too low. Like hyperthyroid is a problem. Hypothyroid also a problem. Too much insulin is a problem. It will get your sugar to become very low, and too little insulin also a problem because your blood sugar will become very high. So the body is not homeostatic. And also the other thing that's very important is the acidity. Our blood pH is a magic number, 7.36. Now, when this blood pH is at 7.36, it's alkaline, then it is not easy for you to fall sick. That's why the first thing we do when you reach our Adelphi, the shop, is we check your saliva. Is your body acidic or alkaline? All right. So when your body is acidic, diabetes will love you. Autoimmune problem will love you. Cancer cells is a mutating ground for cancer cell is if your body is constantly acidic. All right. So always check your saliva at home first thing in the morning when you wake up. And the other thing that is balanced is the immune system. Nothing too active, nothing underactive. Overactive is a problem, underactive also a problem. So now we are going to analyze. Underactive immune system, you are prone to infection, you are prone to cough and cold, prone to fatigue, and also cancer is classified here. So those people who are very prone to all kinds of infection, as simple as toothache, as simple as sore eye, as simple as sore throat, as simple as ear pain, as simple as cough and cold. All these are simple infection, all right, that some people are very prone to. But the bacteria or the virus can go into the body to infect your stomach. Then you get gastritis. Infect your liver, you get hepatitis. Infect your colon, you get colitis. So all these become a major infection. It infect your blood, you get septicemia, right? So all these become a major infection that you run high fever for many, many days. Now, what about overactive immune system? Overactive immune system, we have diabetes, psoriasis, allergy, rheumatoid arthritis, irritable bowel syndrome, Graves' disease, multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, lupus, alopecia. So these are all overactive immune system. In the hospital, they call autoimmune problem. There is absolutely no cure in the hospital. So if you end up in hospital, what do? They only do symptomatic treatment. Symptomatic treatment means what? You got fever, they give you Panadol. You can't sleep, they give you sleeping pill. You got itch, they give you antihistamine. You got diarrhea, they give you diarrhea drugs. You got inflammation, they give you steroid. They only treat your symptoms, and that's all they do. But if you really want to have a permanent healing, then you must bring the body back to balance, homeostatic. Let the body go back to balance, and then the clinical report will show some improvement. The ESR will come down, the HbA1c will come down, and all these clinical report will be able to confirm it. Now, the healthy body and acidity. This is Dr. Otto. In 1931, he received a Nobel Prize to discover the root cause of cancer. And he says that cancerous cells are acidic, whereas healthy cells are alkaline. And he also discovered that every cell has a battery. And this is what we're going to share with you, the energy medicine. So when your blood is kept alkaline at 7.36 to 7.45, then you can enjoy good health and you can avoid degenerative diseases. So this is Dr. Michael Tan. He received his PhD in geopathic stress. He's our Energer advisor and also researcher. He used to be an electrical engineer with Singapore Power for 24 years. Now, after he retired with Singapore Power, then he chanced upon energy medicine, and then he got his echograph checked, the energy analyzed, and he realized that his body battery level is left with only 40%. At only 40%, at the age of 45, how many more years can he last? And that's where he started to go into deep research on energy medicine, and then he founded Life Research Wellness Private Limited in 2012, and he started to research on geopathic stress and started Geo Origin Technology and Geo Wellness in 2014. Then in 2016, he spearheaded a project with the real estate developer and be the consultant for Dream Homes in Cyberjaya, where all the homes are harmonized using his technology. So he modified the state-of-the-art 7-in-1 wave modulation technology in Miracle Energy of Life, and he patented the wave modulation technology in Singapore. All right, so that is Dr. Michael Tan that we work with, and he has all the technology that we are promoting right now. So the first technology about this Miracle Energy of Life is that it has an intelligence for self-regulation. It is a functional system balance. So it can regulate, it can regenerate, it recharges, and it harmonizes the 5 elements at the diaphragm. So it centers the energy at the diaphragm, and so it will have a healthy blood flow and energy flow from within. So optimal health, you enjoy deep quality sleep, you wake up fully recharged and also free from pain. And the second technology is that it has a hyperthermia therapy. And it's the world's first state-of-the-art wave modulation technology that regulates the body heat according to body's need. So the blood and energy will flow well with heat. So healthy heat from within is healthy body terrain. So for optimal health, natural beauty, and also youthful skin. The third technology is that it's pulse electromagnetic field therapy, and using the wave modulation technology that charges the body cellular battery, the mitochondria, like a human charger. A well-charged up cell will perform at optimum in nutrient absorption, in excretion, in circulation, in respiration, and performance. A well-charged up cells from within is healthy body terrain, so healthy cell growth, healthy organs, healthy immune system, optimal performance, high productivity, clarity of mind, and great mental health, happy with great emotional health. Negative potential therapy, world's first state-of-the-art wave modulation technology that keeps the cell membrane healthily charged at 70 millivolts. So healthy cell membrane will be able to effectively protect us from viruses and bacteria, effectively absorb nutrients with proper hydration, effectively excrete waste products or toxin from the body. Negative ion technology is a world's first state-of-the-art wave modulation technology to effectively oxygenate the body. So negative ion is abundant in nature. It is effectively able to protect the body from harmful effect of EMF, the radiation. Effectively protect the body from harmful effects of free radical that causes oxidative stress and aging. It keeps the blood cells well separated alkaline to carry oxygen to every part of the body. So you feel refreshed, you feel energized, you feel alert with high clarity of mind and also free from pain. The far infrared therapy is the world's first state-of-the-art wave modulation technology to clear meridian blockage by body acupuncture. So the light energy, the far infrared light is a spectrum of sunlight. Once penetrate into the body will become the heat energy, the qi. Improves blood flow and qi flow to clear meridian blockages, effectively overcome tiredness and fatigue, effectively overcome aches and pain, clarity of mind, and also increase productivity. And the seventh technology is that it has a moxibustion and deep reflexology effect. So it's world's first state-of-the-art wave modulation technology to regulate heat with deep feet reflexology for maximum comfort and well-being. So combined with heat with deep reflexology, it promotes effective stress relief, effective overcome aches and pain, effectively recharge the body for higher productivity and give you deeper quality sleep. So this revolutionary miracle energy of life has 8 benefits. Miracle energy of life and stronger bones. So it has low frequency signal that stimulates the osteoblast cells to produce and repair healthy bone cells. The miracle energy of life and pain relief, it naturally increases the pain threshold by increasing the endorphin synthesis. Endorphin is a natural pain relief hormone, so it increases your pain threshold. The miracle energy of life and sleep and anti-aging is because of the melatonin and the human growth hormone. The melatonin promotes quality sleep, improves your immune system. It helps in tissue repair and cell regeneration. It's a very powerful antioxidant. The human growth hormones has an anti-aging property. It rejuvenates and with proper cell growth and longevity. Miracle energy of life and more energy, that is to activate the ATP of the cell. So the cell, every cell has this powerhouse called the mitochondria, and every cell is so complicated. Just imagine 1 egg and 1 sperm, just 2 cells in 9 months can form a baby. You know how much of activity is happening in just these 2 cells? How much of multiplication, division, and production of hormones, production of enzyme to be able to produce a baby with a heart, a lung, lungs, with kidney, with intestine, with stomach, with brain, with eyes, with ears, with nose, with throat. You know, just 2 cells become so complicated a body, a baby. Yeah, and that's where every cell has a nucleus, it has ribosome, it has lysosome, it has Golgi body. So all these ribosome, lysosome are to produce the enzymes and the hormones within the cells. So every cells are so powerful. So every cell has a battery, and this battery is called the mitochondria. It's the cell's powerhouse where cellular respiration takes place. It converts food into energy. So you want the heart to pump well, you need power. And where does this power come from? It comes from the food you eat, converted by this mitochondria to give you the energy. And the kidney needs to work well with energy as well. So this cellular energy, if you have good cellular energy, you will enjoy good health. And healthy cell battery is at 70 millivolts. So if you have this cell battery at 70 millivolts, you enjoy good health. If it reduces to 60 millivolts, then your health will be compromised. If it reduces to only 40 millivolts, then you start to have chronic ailment. And then when it reaches 20 millivolts, that is a mutating ground for cancer cells. So in traditional Chinese medicine, the 12 meridian points, they are able to feel it by telling you the qi is too high or too low, the energy is too high or too low, just by pulsating. But now with US technology, we have a software that is able to quantify your 12 meridian point. So we quantify your lungs, your pericardium, that is the membrane that protect your heart, your small intestine, your triple energizer, your large intestine, your spleen, your liver, your kidney, your bladder, your gallbladder, and stomach. So all these 12 meridian point is like your handphone battery. You have to work at 100% battery. And so we are able to show you a bar chart like this. And this bar chart has a color code. And this color code is based on your age and gender. So when I do the consultation for you, I have to key in your birth year and your gender before we can have this color code. So this color code will be able to let us analyze much easier. So it's using your 10 fingers and 10 toes that we analyze your 12 meridian point. If it says green, that means it's normal. That means your left and right meridian, the energy flow is smooth, it will show green. But even though green, we want minimum 85%, maximum 110%. And then when it shows purple, that means it's called a split energy. That means the left and right meridian, the energy flow is not smooth. And then when it shows blue, that means the energy is low. So it's showing low battery, please go and charge it up. And when the split energy, that means the energy flow within the organ is not smooth. So go and smoothen it before the organ can do a good job. And when it shows red, that means it's too high energy. Too high energy, we need to tame down the energy. Otherwise, the chances of inflammation is very high. And then this bar here will show you the average energy of your 12 meridian point. And this bar will show you the working relationship of the 12 meridian. Are they harmonized? If they are not harmonized, please go and harmonize them, because the respiratory system, the immune system, the nervous system depend on so many organs to form one system. So once they are harmonized, all these systems will be able to do a good job. All right. And then the energy must be at the center and not clutter at the chest or down below the diaphragm. Now, these 12 meridian points respond to nature, sunrise and sunset. So some of the organs are very active during the day and some of the organs are very active during the night. So the stomach is very active during the day, the spleen, the heart, the small intestine, the bladder, the kidney, and the pericardium are active during the day. Now at 9 p.m., there's this meridian called triple energizer will convert serotonin to melatonin at about 9 p.m. So at about 9 p.m., your eyelids start to get heavy, your melatonin is out, you start to look for your pillow. So 11 p.m., your gallbladder start to detox. 1 a.m., your liver start to detox. 3 a.m., your lungs start to detox. 5 a.m., your large intestine start to detox. So when you jump out of bed at 7 a.m., the first place you go will be the toilet, where the toxin come out in the urine, in the bowel, in the sweat, nowhere else. So we must make sure our excretory system do a good job. Now this is Fiona. Fiona, when I saw her, it was last year in May during the circuit breaker. She's only 39 years old, but when I saw her, she was like a 70 years old. She talk also no energy. She walk also no energy. And then she got poor sleep quality. She wake up 3-4 times a night, and she got poor appetite. She can't even taste food. You know, her tongue was all bland. So she can't even taste salty food, sweet food, or spicy food. So her tongue was all bland, no appetite at all. And she got very bad mental clarity. Her whole mind was all very foggy. And when she go to the toilet, she pass out very little urine, very little bowel, and she frequently has chest discomfort. So at that time, I checked her energy level, and you can see her spleen is running at 6% battery, her liver at 37% battery, her kidney at 7% battery, her bladder at 28% battery, her gallbladder at 33% battery, and her stomach at 21% battery. When the organs are running at low battery, how can she has good energy? That's why she's feeling very tired. And you see her energy cluttered at her chest. That's why she felt a lot of chest congestion there. Her energy were all cluttered there. So, and also her average energy only half battery full, 56%. And the organs are not harmonized, only 52% harmonized. So I told Fiona, I said, Fiona, you need to charge up all your organs. You need to jumpstart all your organs. So you need to use a recharge therapy to jumpstart all your organs and use it 2 times a day. And then every night you sleep on a mattress pad comforter pillow. And she did that, and in less than 2 months, in July, she came back to the shop when the shop was open, and she reported that she felt more energetic. she got improved sleep quality. She can sleep through the night. If she do wake up, it's maximum once a night. And she got better mental clarity to go back to work. She felt happier and healthier. Her appetite improved. Her excretory system also improved. She passed out more urine and more bowel. She got less chest discomfort. So when I checked her energy level, her spleen from 6% went up to 86%. Her liver, 37% went up to 101%. Her kidney, 7% went up to 90%. Her bladder, 28% went up to 78%. Her gallbladder, 33% went up to 99%. And then her stomach, 21% went up to 103%. Perfect. All the organs are well charged up. She felt good, right? So her average energy went up to 92%, and the harmony went up to 85%. And the energy, no more clutter at the chest, and it came down to below her diaphragm. That's why when we were asking for testing.
Actually, initially I didn't know that I really have such issues, or rather, it didn't really bother me. I thought it was just normal. So, like a lot of people out there, I guess, me in this case, I just take it as normal.
Okay.
So I just go through my day by day until I get to know Energia, and I found that I was surprised that actually I have been suffering from all these issues, being lethargic, unable to focus, and also in terms of appetite wasn't that good too, and also a lot of things because once my energy is low, I don't have the energy to want to do things also.
Naturally.
Yeah.
Okay. So what have you tried before?
Of course, I tried other stuff before, like even TCM, but not actively looking into all those because I didn't know that I have issues. I just feel lethargic, so I try to find something that will boost my energy and just to at least let me run through the day and do my work and stuff.
Did it work?
Not really. So until I chanced by Energia, and it really did make a great impact in that sense, a change. So I realized that within a short time span, after I used it, I am more alert, more focused, and more awake, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know.
I chanced upon Fiona during the lockdown in May, and our shop was closed.
Okay.
So when she called me and said that she needed help, so I brought my diagnostic tool to check her energy level. So when I checked her energy level, definitely she's weak because her spleen was running at 6% battery, and then her liver was only 37%, her kidney was 7%, her bladder was 28%, and her gallbladder was only 33%, her stomach at 21%. So running at low battery, how can her digestive system, her nervous system, her immune system do a good job? Definitely she feel weak. So because our place was closed for 2 months, and at that time she couldn't come to my place for therapy, so I told her that she need to rent the system back home and do the therapy twice a day, so she can have a booster, like a car battery is flat, you need another car jumpstart that battery, so she need to jumpstart all her organ battery again. So she go on a booster for twice a day, and then that's where she sleep on the full sleeping system as well, a mattress pad, and also she use a corset and a pillow. Just less than 2 months. What happened, Fiona?
I really feel much better and able to run through the day better, I would say, and do more things, accomplish more stuff within the same time frame. So, and I feel more positive in a way because it lifted up my mood, and energy level also went up. I was really very surprised the moment Veron actually shared with me my results for telling me that my spleen or some of the organs that she mentioned that was like so low. I was really surprised and really shocked.
Is that the reason that convinced you to take on the Energia?
Perhaps too. Because there's some scientific results in this, so then of course with that shown to me, and with the advancement in technology that that Energia has, that got me to
Tell us,
use
I mean, has it actually helped you?
It did, because that's why I actually went back to her and got more products actually.
Okay.
So maybe just share a bit more. I'm also wearing the singlet, even the shorts
Okay.
that are part of the products lah,
Okay,
at
okay.
least.
Part of the product range.
So yes,
Okay.
part of the product range. So and also drink the water.
Okay. Okay.
So it really kind of like helped me readjust back to a really normal.
Do you actually see a difference in terms of if you to
It
feel?
did.
Okay, let's just put this in a scale of 1 to 10. Before that, right? Before knowing Energia, what was your ruler scale? 10 being the highest, the best.
I would say 3,
3.
maybe.
Honest, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is.
After, how about telling us and after?
After, it will be 7 to 8, I would say.
Oh, that's a lot of improvement.
I have to say within, it really surprised me too. I didn't expect that kind of results.
Okay.
But within that short time frame, I really felt better.
Okay.
And really, it's like woken up from La La Land.
So last time you don't know, now you know.
Yeah, and also
You've been
because,
living in a different world all this time.
yeah.
So the fifth benefits of this miracle energy of life is better oxygenation and blood circulation. So I use the microscope a lot, first 5 years in business. So I see a lot of blood samples. And this is Dr. Michael Robert Young. He has a blood research center in US where he is able to certify people who wants to know how to analyze 1 drop of blood under the microscope. And this is a healthy blood cells where this is alkaline. All the cells are round, well separated. And this is acidic blood, all clustered together. And we identify the crystal by color. If it is green color, is lactic acid crystal. White color is cholesterol crystal. If it is long crystal, is stress crystal. And if it is black crystal, is heavy metal crystal. So heavy metal come from all the chemical we come in contact with, like the hair dye, the shampoo, the body shampoo, the pedicure, manicure, the chlorine. If you go and swim in chlorinated water, like those swimmers, when they come to me, wow, the heavy metal, big piece in just 1 drop of blood. And also those people who eat a lot of processed food, all these are becoming heavy metal. Those who eat a lot of medicine, this become heavy metal in the body as well. And when we see these spider webs in 1 drop of blood, it's an indication that the liver is under a lot of stress. So when the liver is under a lot of stress, you also can't sleep well. When you can't sleep well, you also create a lot of stress on the liver. So to be able to sleep well is a whole body approach. And the 6th benefit of this miracle energy of life is relaxation and natural stress reduction, because we activate this dopamine. The dopamine works on the central nervous system. It helps in proper movement, pleasure, mood, motivation, and also stress management. The 7th benefit of this miracle energy of life is the balanced autonomic nervous system. A balanced autonomic nervous system, it regulates the involuntary physiology process. Like the heart rate, you don't have to tell your heart to pump, it sure pump because it's automatic. The blood pressure, the respiration, the digestion, the perspiration, the sexual arousal, all these are autonomic nervous system. So once the autonomic nervous system breaks down, that's where all these natural response become no more natural. So the 8th benefit of this miracle energy of life is to improve the immunity. In order for our immunity to be improved, the body must be homeostatic, like a healthy pot of soil. So the blood pH at 7.36, the blood cells are well oxygenated, healthy blood flow and lymphatic drainage, healthy cell voltage at 70 millivolts, healthy heart rate at 70 beats per minute, balanced blood sugar, balanced blood pressure, balanced cholesterol, balanced hormones, and balanced immune system. So once the body immune system is balanced, the cells are healthy, the toxins cannot penetrate into the body, the pollution cannot penetrate the body, the fungus, the viruses, the parasites, the bacteria all cannot penetrate into the body, and that's where your body is well protected. Now, this miracle energy of life is portable and very convenient. Whole family can share. You can sit and have your whole body harmonized. You can use it as a power nap. You can while you're working from home, while you're watching TV, you can use it. So it can be very versatile. When you got you can use it on your feet like a reflexology. You can use it on your back if you got back pain. You can use it on your tummy if you got tummy upset. You can use it under your calf if you got leg pain. You can use it by sitting on it if you get hemorrhoid or incontinence problem. You can use it on your elbow if you got tennis elbow. You can use it on your fingers if you have trigger fingers, and you can use it on your neck as well. So these are some different ways of using the revolutionary miracle energy of life. Now I'm going to share with you about the world's first structured water with hydro crystals, the revolutionary miracle water of life. It is from 8-in-1 water filtration system, again using wave modulation technology. So you live well with premium grade pure water as nature intended. So these are all miracle water as nature intended. So it's purified water, mineralized water, mild alkaline water, hydrogen water, antioxidant, and microcluster, energized water, and structured water with hydro crystal. We do not use electricity. It's manufactured in Korea. So why is it important to drink water? Because 70% of our body is water. It is important for proper digestion, respiration, cell function, excretion, important for proper excretion and detoxification, important for balanced immune system, important for proper concentration and overall energy. It regulates the body temperature. For beauty enhancement, it's important for proper cell repair and cell hydration. Healthy hydration, healthy body, beautiful skin. So poor hydration can affect quality of life. You feel thirsty, you got dry mouth, or you get dry eyes, you get tired eyes, you got poor urine output, constipation, and you got poor concentration, and also headache, lethargy, and you get dry skin and also aging skin. Now, the history of water filtration system goes back to 1980 when you have diamond water. They use pie water. Then in the 90s, you have oxygen water, you have alkaline water. There are many brands of alkaline water. KYK, Water Source, Star Wellness, Marvelo, Jupiter, MREX, AOX, Kangen. Then also the reverse osmosis water, the RO water, the new water, and the alkaline water. Very, very clean water. And then 1999, we have hydrogen water, which is the Izumil from Naturally Plus. And one packet of Izumil, 200 mils, is about almost $5. And that is very, very expensive to drink water. And then 2021, we have super electron water, terahertz water, and now we have miracle water of life. So the first property of this revolutionary miracle water of life, it is a purified water. Now, purified water is important because this water that comes down to the tap, into our household is through all the big pipes and the small pipes. And all these pipings, nobody go and change them. So what is happening inside the pipes, nobody can see. Because for 10, 20, 30, 40 years, nobody changed all these pipes. When there's a leakage, they only change a small portion. But the rest of the big pipe, nobody changed. And that's where a lot of corrosion, a lot of dirt get accumulated inside the pipe. So it comes down the tap, you just drink.
Yeah.
You are not doing justice to your body.
Okay, then take another cup. And then come to this side. No, turn, not press. Now you can see the water compare.
So you don't drink rusty water, right?
One is without our filter, one is after going through our filter.
Is this the hydrogen one as well?
Yes.
So we do not want to drink all this rust, it become heavy metal inside our blood. So that's where we have a TDS meter to be able to test the total dissolved solid. And this TDS meter, the higher the number, the more the impurity, all right? So our miracle water of life, the TDS is at 49, which is very pure, highly pure, all right? The tap water is about 300. So drink purer water, cleaner water. Because under the microscope, all these chlorine and all these impurities, they can be seen as heavy metal under the microscope. So the harmful fluoride and chlorine can disrupt melatonin as well. It ruins your sleep. The pineal gland somehow absorbs most of the fluoride and chlorine than any other soft tissue in the body. It impairs the IQ, impairs memory. It alters the neurobehavioral function. It impairs the bone strength, impairs thyroid function, impairs cell growth. So don't drink chlorinated water. Government put chlorine in the water to kill germs so that you don't get diarrhea when you drink water. But then all these are chemicals that we do not want it to disrupt our biological system inside our body. So under the microscope, all these are heavy metal, and that's where we see black crystal. Now, the second property of this revolutionary miracle water of life is that it is microcluster. Microcluster, according to Dr. Michael, we measure by the Hertz. The revolutionary miracle water of life is at 62 Hertz. The frequency is at 62 Hertz. Now, so when the frequency is at 62 Hertz, the penetration power into the cells is the highest. Okay, so once the penetration power is good, that is where the microcluster will help in digestion, help in transporting nutrient, regulating blood pressure, balancing the body temperature, multiplication of cells, wound healing, lymphatic and blood system, lubricate the joints, accelerate the body metabolism, and also the waste disposal. So when the water is microcluster, it penetrates deep into the cells. That's where the 70% of our body that is water will become very healthy frequency water. So how do we do experiment to show that it is microcluster? We use oil experiment. So when we put 1 teaspoon of oil into this water, when the water is not microcluster, you can see the layer of the oil is very obvious floating on top. And then it has the layer of water and the oil separate. Whereas when it's microcluster, you can see the cloudiness, so it merge. So the oil can merge with the water. So it can actually clear the, it can actually absorb the oil. So the third property of this revolutionary miracle water of life is that it is mineralized and alkaline water. So according to Dr. Otto, who received the Nobel Prize, it is important to keep the body alkaline at pH 7.34. So once you are able to keep the blood pH at 7.34, you can enjoy good health and you can avoid degenerative disease.
Hi everyone,
this is
I'm
the
going to
water
do a short
experiment.
video to test the pH level of the water that we have been drinking every day. Here we go. Let's start with tap water. I have prepared a flask of tap water here and to pour into this small cup. Okay, followed by the usual bottled water we will see in the supermarket. And also the very expensive mineral water as well. And not forgetting our new water system, the Miracle of Life water. I'm going to drip this solution into the water. As you can see, from most acidic to non-acidic, normally for non-acidic water will be in blue. Let's start from the tap water first. Okay, followed by the bottled drinking water. About 2 drips per cup, mineral water now. And also our Miracle Water of Life. I'm going to shake them a little and put them nearer to the camera so you can see. Our tap water is quite alkaline, so even without filter machine, right, it's really drinkable. You can see the color is actually light blue, right? Now coming to the bottled water. It's very yellowish. So what does it mean? It's very acidic. The branded mineral water, not bad. Almost the same as our tap water. It's light blue. This color over here. So just drink our tap water, no need to buy such expensive mineral water, right? Last but not least, our new water system with the Miracle Water of Life, it turns very, very blue, which is very good. You can see the pH level is 9.5. So which water you want to drink? Which water you want to drink to keep yourself healthy? Of course, it's the Miracle Water of Life, right?
Okay, so it's pH 8.5. You use a pH meter to check. Now, the next property of this revolutionary Miracle Water of Life is that it is hydrogen water, antioxidant water. So, to be able to understand why it is important to drink antioxidant water, you must understand why are free radicals harmful to us. So what are these free radicals? These free radicals are actually unstable molecule. So the molecule is unstable when there's a loss of electron. When there's a loss of electron, that is a free radical. All right. So what causes this free radical? It is the processed food, the stress, the air pollution, the chemical pollution, the medicine, the drinking unsafe water, unhealthy lifestyle, and also UV light. All these releases free radical. And this free radical will cause harm to the body. It causes oxidative stress. Just like the apple get oxidized, the meat get oxidized, the nail get oxidized, and when human get oxidized, it's called aging. And this free radical can oxidize the the lipids and proteins that leads to cell damage inside the body. And this free radical can oxidize the DNA and RNA that leads to mutation. So we do not want all these free radicals enter the body that causes all this mutation. That's why people get cysts, get fibroid, get cancer. It's all because of this free radical attack. So understanding the antioxidant and hydrogen property, most of the antioxidant, whether you use vitamin C, you use pycnogenol, vitamin E, or glutathione, they are not as effectively to penetrate, especially the blood-brain barrier. The hydrogen molecule is so tiny that it can go deep into the body to counteract the free radical, to effectively neutralize all the free radical. The most important thing is that because it is extremely small molecule, it can penetrate into the cells and go to the brain to penetrate the blood-brain barrier to effectively protect the brain. So that is where it is different from the vitamin C that you take just by drinking antioxidant Miracle Water of Life. So with this antioxidant property, the benefit is that it is anti-inflammatory, beauty enhancement and anti-aging. It improves the blood flow and energy flow. It improves the immunity and promotes longevity. It prevents degenerative diseases like diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol. So the ORP is measured using an ORP meter, which is the oxidative reductive potential meter. And this meter, the higher the number, the more oxidative stress. All right. So the higher the number, the more oxidizing effect is this liquid. So the soda is positive 400. The sports drink is positive 375. Energy drink positive 300. Tap water positive 250. Bottled water positive 300. Coffee positive 150. Now, if the orange juice is prepared and drink immediately, it's negative. That means it's antioxidant. Negative 100. But then when you leave it outside, it becomes oxidized. Then it becomes positive 150. But our Miracle Water of Life is negative up to 600. That's why it's very, very good antioxidant.
Hi again.
Oh, we are
I'm
using
going to do
iodine
another
test.
iodine test Now we're using all brand new tap water instead of the used one just now. So I'm going to pour everything into each cup again, and then we test the iodine. So once again, we got tap water here, the normal drinking water in the bottle, the branded mineral water, and also the miracle water of life. So the purpose of doing this iodine test, right, is to let you know which water is drinkable. Let's start with the tap water. One drip here, one drip in the normal bottle drinking water, another drip into the branded mineral water, and also the miracle water of life, one drip. For the tap water, spin it a little bit. The iodine dissolves. The water remains clear, means it's drinkable. Okay? The bottled drinking water, spin it a bit. Not bad, it's really drinkable. Just that there's no alkali in it. The branded mineral water,
We can see with the iodine is actually a bit yellowish. So it's not
remains clear as well.
antioxidant.
It's drinkable. Miracle water of life.
You can see the miracle water of life is very, very clear.
If you compare all the color, miracle water of life, very, very clear and white. The branded mineral water, not sure if you can tell, is a little bit yellowish. The bottled drinking water as well is also yellowish, similar to the branded mineral water here. And the tap water is also iodine.
So this is a test.
This
for
tree
antioxidant.
is yellow, except the miracle water of life, it remains clear. Continuing from the video just now, I'm going to do another short test using the iodine. Normally, we will bring the iodine tablet or iodine liquid along with us when we travel overseas to test the water to make sure it's drinkable. How we know whether the water is drinkable is when you actually pull out the water from the tap, drip some iodine in it. If it remains clear, means it's drinkable. So from the video earlier, all this water are either acidic or alkaline. So with the same kind of water, I'm going to drip the iodine into them. Starting from the tap water, yep, the water remains clear and blue, which is drinkable. The bottled drinking water became yellowish, acidic again. The branded mineral water with iodine inside still remains a little bit light blue, but towards the yellow, so it's still drinkable but towards acidic. Not as blue just now. But our mineral water of life still remains very rich in blue. You see the difference? Continuing from the second video just now about iodine, I'm going to do another short video by adding more mineral water of life into each cup. Let's see if they change back to alkaline or not. Let's start from the tap water. You can see the bottled water and the branded mineral water used to be yellow and light yellow just now, but after adding the miracle water of life, all of them turns blue. See, the tap water goes back to darker blue tone. The bottled water is blue also. The branded mineral water also turns blue, but if you compare, it's not as blue as the bottled water, but this is the expensive one. And our miracle water of life remains very rich in blue.
Okay. So the next property about this revolutionary miracle water of life is that it is structured water. It is structured water with hado crystal that is tested at the Emoto lab in Japan. So there are miracle water in the world, like the Hunza water in Pakistan is secrets to longevity. Most of the people who live in the village there, they all look young and they feel young, and it's a village of longevity. So the property of that water is that it's negatively charged hydrogen water, hydrogen ions, powerful antioxidant. It has mineral colloids that efficiently deliver the nutrients and naturally alkaline. And there's also the Zamzam water in Mecca, secrets to good health. And it's actually the rainwater in Mecca, and its natural trace elements there. It contains dissolved minerals beneficial for health, naturally alkaline, and the structured water with hado crystal is tested by Masaru Emoto when he was still alive. And then we also have miracle water in Lutz in France, secrets to good health. There's an apparition of Mother Mary to a 14-year-old peasant girl, Bernadette, in 1858. And that's a miracle water for physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual healing. It's alkaline water. So all these are as nature intended. So Dr. Michael again, and together with Dr. Vincent, he went to meet Masa Emoto in Japan in December 2019 to bring his water, the miracle water of life, for testing in Emoto lab. And that's where we are able to see hado crystal there. So Dr. Michael, he started researching on quality water as nature intended in 2012, how to combine all the best water filtration system into one world best system. And he patented this wave modulation technology in Singapore. And that's where he incorporated this wave modulation technology in all the water filtration system to be able to produce the hado crystal. So 30 years research by Masaru Emoto, water hidden message. He said water has a memory and it carries within it our thoughts and our prayers. So as you yourself are water, no matter where you are, your prayers will be carried to the rest of the world. And this is a healing festival that I attended, and there's this speaker. He is a certified sound specialist and Reiki master. He actually shared about the sound for living, how the sound affects our mental, emotional, and physical health. So he also did a study on the water crystal that is inside us. So when we are happy, our 70% of our body is water. All these crystals will resonate with sounds. So natural healing spring water around the world. This Masaru Emoto, he actually tested river water, waterfall water, spring water, and also miracle water. All kinds of water he tested. And he saw some of the water crystals can be very ugly and some are very nicely formed. So this is Zamzam water with Quran, and you can see that there's a heart in the center. And this is Zamzam water without the Quran, then you can see there's a divider. So for miracle water of life, it's the same thing. With prayer, then it becomes a very nice six-sided crystal with a heart in the center. And without the prayer, it has a divider. So like yin and yang. So it has a divider at the center as well. And this water crystal, it also resonates according to frequency. So like the classical music. They have different frequency, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So all these different frequency will create different crystal as well. So this is one of the crystal that is sent to us, is the miracle water of life. So this is the miracle water of life. Dr. Michael called it the balance. And this is the Ubuntu Hado crystal. This Emoto, he called it the humanity. When he tied the handphone next to the water and he tested the water crystal, it is distorted. But then when he used the wave modulation technology to put next to the handphone and put next to the water, then the water crystal start to form very nicely. So that is the miracle water of life wave modulation technology that is able to create from chaos to order. So this is the deformed crystal. But after going through the wave modulation technology, it becomes a very nice structured Hado crystal. So this revolutionary miracle water of life is energized water, harmonized water as well. So when it's energized water, it has a frequency of 62 Hertz, very healthy frequency to penetrate deep into the cells. It has a positive pendulum spin, and is energetic antioxidant. So we also use fruit juice test. So when we put the fruit juice test, the fruit juice stay outside, it become oxidized. But then when we put it into the miracle water of life double layer, then it actually reverse the antioxidant. All right, and it become an antioxidant, and it has a balancing and healing energy. So this is the energetic antioxidant property. At 11 a.m. I bought the fruit juice, is avocado with beetroot with carrot. And then at 4 p.m., the fruit juice was oxidized. At 4 p.m., we placed half cup of fruit juice into another cup filled with the miracle water of life. 2 hours later, this at 6 p.m., the juice in the double cup reversed the oxidation. The fruit juice tastes sweeter and fresh, whereas the cup that is still placed outside is pungent and is oxidized. So miracle water of life and more ATP, it gives you more energy. Again, it works at cellular level. So when it's working at 62 Hertz, the frequency of 62 Hertz, that's where it's able to activate the mitochondria as well. So we have a healthy cellular energy, we will have a healthy cellular cells. Then we use the Accugraph to be able to measure the energy level of the 12 meridian point, and that's where we are able to see before you drink the water, after you drink the water, what is the difference in your energy level. So it's from
Hello, today I'm going to test
now we
our
see the
water
pendulum test.
and which water has energy in it. Starting with the tap water, I have labeled all the cup differently, so it's easy for us to recognize. For now, let's start with the tap water first. How to test the water has energy or not? Firstly, pour a cup of water in the cup like this, and then place your pendulum on top of the cup with water. So if it moves clockwise, it means that this water here has a lot of good energy. If it goes side by side, it means that the water is neutral. And if it goes anti-clockwise, it means that this water is negative. As you can see that the tap water right now is moving side by side. It means that our tap water is actually neutral and no energy in it. Okay, now let's move to the bottled drinking water. These are the bottled water I get from the supermarket. Okay. And now I'm going to place the pendulum on top again and see how the pendulum reacts. Again, if it moves side by side, it's no energy, neutral. But if it moves clockwise, it's very positive energy. And if move anti-clockwise means it's negative energy. For this distilled water, you can see is starting to move side by side. The movement is getting stronger. And you can tell that this bottled drinking water is also neutral, just like our tap water, with no energy in it. Okay, so now we go to the mineral water. This is a well-known branded mineral water. About $3 to $4 a bottle. Let's see what is the energy level in it. Scanning the water right now, but still it goes side by side, and it's actually even stronger than the tap water and also the bottled water. So this mineral water, which is very expensive, it still has no energy and neutral. Now we shall try the Miracle Water of Life water that's filtered from our new water filter machine. It has 8-in-1 benefits in it. Now, and this water is structured and it has energy in it. So by using the same pendant, we shall see what is the energy level. After scanning the water for a while, you can see it starts spinning clockwise. You actually can tell that this water has a lot of positive energy in it. So after testing all 4 different types of water, this is the only water with positive energy. Okay, we would like to welcome you to our workshop. Bring along your water and we can...
Okay, so the benefits of drinking Miracle Water of Life is for cell regeneration. It improves your digestive health, in nutrient absorption and toxin excretion. It improves your mental and neurological health. And it supports your immune system to enjoy deeper sleep, wake up happy, energetic with clarity of mind, and hasten health restoration and injury recovery. It improves your energy level to naturally relieve your tiredness and chronic pain. Now, there are 4 filters inside each of the filtration system, but inside these 4 filters, there are 20 levels of internal filtration. So it's not just ordinary filters. There are 20 levels of internal filtration inside. So it removes the sediment, it converts the water into alkaline and hydrogen water. It has a nano membrane inside. It also have a post-carbon filter inside. Now, important thing is we have this certification is EPA registration. This EPA registration is very important because the antibacterial property produced in and imported from Canada, it is effectiveness and safety approved and registered at EPA. The 5 kinds of virus strains and mold tested by the Korean Authorized Institute, the result of 100% non-detection of viruses and mold. Now, this is very important because sometimes we left the water system unattended. If you go for holiday for 1 week, for 1 month, nobody uses the system. And if water were to stay inside the filter untouched, it becomes stagnant water. If you don't have this EPA certification or EPA approved antibacterial sterilizing SA18 balls inside, then it can gather molds and also viruses inside the filter. Then it becomes detrimental to our health. So this antibacterial sterilizing SA18 ball is very, very important in all these water filter inside the system. So the mineral ceramic balls, 99.9% efficacy proven through antibacterial sterilizing tests of the ceramic balls quality. They are tested in Korea Environmental Merchandise Testing Institute, Korea Environment Water Works Institute, Korea Testing and Research Institute, Korea Food and Drug Administration. So all these, we have certification from Korea. And we also have certifications and patents certificates in Korea. Now, These are both revolutionary miracle energy of life and revolutionary miracle and water of life is best recommended for people suffering from sleeping disorder, people with insomnia, sleep apnea, snoring, nocturia, people with immunity diseases like allergy, eczema, diabetes, people with chronic pain like joint pain, muscular pain, people with lethargy problem like low energy, fatigue, feeling tired easily. Now, who can benefit from this revolutionary miracle energy of life and revolutionary miracle water of life? The immobile people and elderly to improve their mobility, to increase their energy, vitality, and strength, to provide metabolic support for bed-bound people, and to optimize physical and psychological balance. Now, for business and corporate people to maximize their mental clarity, for focus and productivity, for healthy on-the-job stress management, and for people who are seeking wellness and anti-aging, to improve the circulation immune system, to activate cellular metabolism and repair, to aid in relaxation and detoxification, to provide optimal overall vitality, and for people who are injured and looking for faster recovery, so it can help to hasten the recovery, support cells and tissue regeneration, to heal and strengthen bones. So total and complete wellness as nature intended, no electricity for our water. So it's very important we have revolutionary miracle energy of life where we balance the energy, the body cellular energy at the diaphragm. So we center the energy at the diaphragm and every cell must have enough battery. And then revolutionary miracle water of life where is a energy water, is a structured water, is hydrogen water, is antioxidant water, is mineralized water, is alkaline water, 8-in-1 technology inside. And then we have revolutionary miracle oil of life, where it is intelligent oil that can resonate according to your body energy. And then we have revolutionary miracle technology of life, where we have this pendant that is able to protect you from the EMF that is around in the environment. And then we also have revolutionary miracle environment of life, where we have the harmonizing rod that is able to harmonize your home environment or your workplace. So they are our whole technology is free from pain, non-invasive, natural healing, scientifically proven, and revolutionary technology. So there's this floor plan that is audited and the geopathic stress is at 5,000. 5,000 is a very, very destructive amplitude. So once you have this disruptive amplitude, it will affect the health, it will affect the wealth, it will also affect the relationship, whoever is staying in this house. So this particular person, the mom is sleeping in this purple circle, have many major ailments, mental depression, schizophrenia, cancer, autoimmune problem, urinary tract infection, leg pain, hypertension, cholesterol, and also have frequent fall at home. She was not safe to be left alone at home. The doctor advised her to stay in St. Luke nursing home. And then the late father was sleeping in this green area and suffered from end-stage lung cancer, passed away in 2014. And then now the younger brother sleep at the green circle area there. He was born mute and with heart problem. He has heart attack in 2018 and was hospitalized for more than 2 months, almost passed on. In the blue circle is the brother's house who have marriage problem as a taxi driver, also having health problem. And then the red color are 2 tenants and one of them going back to China. So around 15 years ago, in front of the house, 5 meters away, there was a construction. They laid a huge wire cable at the open grass area, and behind the house, 2 times underground water pipe, it burst about 2-story high, and the spot is just 4 meters away from the parents' master bedroom. So they stay in this house since 1988. So you can see the water pipe was here and it burst twice. And then the master bedroom, the right side is the master bedroom and the left side is the common bedroom. And looking out from the father used to sleep here, the vortex is here. And also the mother is sleeping here, the vortex is here. So, and then the wall always crack. And these are also signs of geopathic stress. And the master bedroom, the wall also cracked, the ceiling also cracked. So all these, when it is a very destructive and also toxic home, that is where there is a lot of disharmony inside the house. So take action now. If you purchase the revolutionary miracle water of life, if you happen to have a water filtration system at home right now, you can trade off for $400. It's free installation by professional contractor. Whether you want it under your sink, you want it on the tabletop, you want it on the wall, everything can be fixed up for you. And then we are going to give you one set of filter one set of filter, 4 pieces for change after 12 months. That one is worth $688. And we are going to give you a book that is signed by Hiro Imoto and Dr. Michael Tan. So you can also go on a subscription basis. Now, this is the geopathic stress. If you want to audit your house, normally to audit, we charge $268. But now you can send your floor plan to us. We can audit for you. It's a scientific way to audit and harmonize your house for health, for wealth, and for relationship. All right. So you send your floor plan to us. If you stay in HDB, you can just buy the floor plan from HDB website. And then we can audit for you, and at least you get to understand what is the amplitude of the destruction of the geopathic stress in your house. So we are going to give you more bonuses. It's not just to do an energy consultation for you. We will want you to come and visit us at Adelphi so that we can also let you try on the energy of life therapy, the power detox therapy, power eye recharge therapy, and bring your drinking water that we can test for you as well. So book your appointment now, and my WhatsApp number 86939472. So join us at our Facebook group as well, Wellness for Good.energy. We have many wellness speakers inside there that have been sharing about mental health and emotional health. So WhatsApp me free Energia Therapy 86939472. You can book your appointment today. And this is the YouTube channel that you can watch a lot of video testimonial there. And this is our website, energia.sg. So every one of us take control of our health. Then together we can create a world full of healthy and wealthy people. Thank you.